Hey guys, welcome back to another day of It's a Bug's Life. Today's gonna be an extra fun day.
Buggy.
We're gonna be playing with some swag, and I don't mean the kind that you smoke.
Right.
So we got this awesome bandsaw here, and we're finally gonna put some end caps on our rear bumper. So we got the stand with it, and Boo's already put it all together. We've actually already started cutting. So let me introduce you to our latest toy, and let's get started.
So we got some 16 gauge sheet steel basically, and what we're gonna do is at some point we're gonna do something with this area back here, but for now, instead of just having the open bumper, we're gonna play around and just, we went on the other side and traced it, and we're just gonna cut it out and then just tack it on here, cover them up, and then Raptor line it, just so it's not open and give it a little cleaner look. Honestly, it's just a play around, kinda. I mean,
yeah.
So Bug got a new welder, got the new bandsaw, and then we saw Kelly on Muddy Beards that got one of these from Swag that makes it basically into like a table bandsaw, and it's awesome. We just did a cut on it, and it's just a lot of fun. So that's what we're gonna play with today, is cap the end cap. I'm gonna do a little bit of cutting, Bug's gonna do some cutting, and we're gonna have some fun. So as Buggy says, let's get started. Well, that won't be out that bad. That won't be out of the way, right?
Yes, so that'll work great.
That'll be fine.
Until we build our own tool bench, we are going to improvise on our little husky here.
Yeah, for
and,
real.
and use some clamps.
We're about to move into our new house that's getting built. And we're gonna have a way bigger garage, benches and stuff. So we're not gonna put our vise in, or we're not gonna mount things like this permanently until we move into our new house. So that's
That'll
kind
work.
of the deal. You got your hair back.
Hair back.
Safety glasses on. There you go. So you're just gonna do that. So this is when I was a pipe fitter down in South Carolina. When our blades would get bad on our porta bands, I would get these and bend them and bring them home to the Bug, a porta band blade.
And they follow us from house to house to house.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, my love.
So this is the first time you're ever doing one of these. So don't be nervous. You're just gonna lay it flat, and you're gonna guide it, and then you're just gonna have to push. Check your speed, right, to make sure you're not lugging the saw or going too slow. The trigger Velcroed. Okay, don't have it up. Okay, you're good. Okay, pull her on out. So you're gonna go at it
like that.
This way now, so
Yep.
you can still see your blue line, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me get you rolling. How was that?
It was
You're
easy,
good? Okay.
yeah.
Okay, watch yourself. I'm gonna get her kicking. Good job, babe. That was your first bandsaw cut.
Absolutely.
Did you?
multiply.
You never used one of these ever when you came and fire watched for me?
No.
Okay.
No. Never.
So I was out there at the time, and we were working 710s to get this contract done, putting these new ammonia coolers in. So I never saw the Bug. I was literally gone 7 days a week, 10 hours a day. She decided, because she missed me so much, that
I'm gonna come work with my boo.
yeah, she decided, because we needed a fire watch, that she came and got certified and everything to come in and fire watch. So she came in and was a fire watch for me for a couple months, 6 weeks maybe, anyhow. And then there was so many subs on that job. So for safety wise, what the general said was whoever does the best pre-test lists, that once a week they would review them, and then that sub would get lunch bought for them. And Buggy learned how to do the pre-test so well that we got lunch every time, and they finally just stopped doing it because nobody could compare to her pre-test list and getting her ammonia detector set up and signed. It was really fun.
I learned from the best though. So
I did teach how to do it,
yeah.
but it was fun. it was really fun. You got really good at them. Okay, so now we've got this knocked down to a more manageable size. And I was just telling Bug if we had a jigsaw would be really nice, because we could really cut this out easy with that, but we don't have one right now. So we're gonna get as close as we can, and then we'll use a flat disc or something and get it into shape. All right, let's fire up, Bug.
okay. Well done.
We did it.
Take a look at it.
There he
Nice
is.
little tail.
All right, let's see how he fits. Oh. I mean, he's pretty fucking right on. Look at that. Man. That's about as dead on as you can get.
That looks awesome.
Okay, so what we're gonna have to do, sweetheart, is, I hate to do it, but we're gonna have to grind our Raptor Liner off this a little bit, right?
That's okay.
And we're gonna, then we're gonna have to weld it.
That's all right. And then we'll Raptor line everything.
So let's see if we can use this for a template. I mean, you just never know if the bumper on each side is the exact same flipped over. It isn't the exact same.
Good thing you checked.
Yep. Okay, so you ready to trace this one, honey?
Yeah, let's show them.
Okay, so because they are different, obviously.
Yeah.
We're gonna cut your bulos.
Aww. Why?
Oh, they'll think I'm corny, bug. All right, come on.
They know that you love me.
I do.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, I want to be able to cut a little off the top, so I'm.
Okay.
You gotta push it really hard as long as you're covered on everything. You good?
I'm covered.
Okay.
I'm good.
All right.
That dog.
Okay, we're good. That's it.
Perfect.
Right to your bulos, bug.
Aw.
Oh.
I unplugged.
You did, bud.
It was for safe. Whoa!
No, bud.
It was for safety.
Can't hear you, bud.
Safety.
There you go, bud. Kudos to Swag, right? I mean, it's transformed using this Portaband into something super useful.
Absolutely.
Look how cute you are, bud. You got your hair back, got your safety glasses on, you got your beanie. You know what? Every guy should have a bug. I almost said a effing bug. Everybody should have a bug, right?
Yes.
I'll get to cutting, bug.
Okay.
All right, bug.
Turn me on, baby. You know how to do it.
Yep.
Turn me on.
You ready? Okay, so you're gonna go. Did you get her? Bugs. 290 cut.
I kind of had to spin it apart because they didn't meet.
Right.
I don't know.
But
Yeah,
you know
they
what?
didn't meet.
That's for a bug. That's pretty good.
That's what I do.
That's pretty good for a bug.
Thanks.
You did good.
Hey, I separated.
You did.
Okay,
you did good. All right. Should we finish this bad boy up?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let's get her up. They don't need to see this. They've seen plenty of cutting probably.
Yep.
And then we'll get to grinding and welding.
Sweet. All right. Let's see how it looks.
So that is sticking out a little bit. The other one on the other side was straight up and down. So what I think I'm going to do is it needs to come in just a C, bug. You know what that is?
I know what it's. I know exactly.
Just a little bit, buggy.
Just a little.
Okay, so let's go like that. Let's try that. You see that? It's about as good as you're gonna get it. It'll look a lot neater having that closed in, right?
So.
And then we'll figure out what we're gonna do back here later on with, we'll probably either make a custom bumper like our front is, or maybe even just buy one. I mean, we get into our new shop, I'd like to try and make one. We're just gonna see how she works here.
All right. I'll
I
stand
have a
back.
guard on, I get it, whatever. All right, see that?
Nice.
So we're gonna re-Raptor line anyhow.
Right.
And it's gonna get hot when I weld it anyway, you know what I mean? So I might even want it a little farther away than that. But we'll see.
All right.
Yeah, that's it, right?
Simple, easy.
Yeah,
Done.
and then we'll line this guy up like so. Well, I'll tack him anyhow, right? So
Yep.
that's how I'll sit right there.
Cool.
Maybe
Let's weld.
Let's do it. Say it, Lee.
Let's weld. And this old piece of junk.
Yep.
Later.
She can go.
Junk.
That's how you do it. There, and you put your finger like that. That's how you do it. Right there. You'll throw some worms on there,
I'll
bud.
throw some worms. And what you got there?
Let's get a fire extinguisher.
Oh, yeah.
So you guys haven't seen this on camera, but we have had a welding fire before, so fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher.
Yep.
That's all that we need to say
Yeah,
about that.
that's all I'm gonna say,
That's
fire
all we're going to say about that. It did not include welding the Jeep
Yeah, anytime there is
right there. No. that's next to the
Or
gas tank.
flame, yeah.
Never happened. I have footage that you will never see of said fire.
That's right. So hopefully this will ground through the bumper. If not, I'm
Yep.
gonna have to grind a bigger spot for a ground, but let's see if she works. Okay?
Let's give it a shot.
All right, let's see if she'll spark.
Yep.
No. Dang it.
Dang it. Let's try this one more time. Because we got a circuit now.
Yeah, I think so. Dang it.
Dang it! You had it.
All right, so it kind of is down here. Okay, is that on bare metal?
Yeah, look at her.
Okay.
Hold
Let's
on.
go ground.
We got
Got
grip.
ground.
Clean up them welds. I'm a safe distance away.
I mean, I could get a couple little, I need probably a couple beads in there.
Fogging up.
So wish I didn't have to freaking wear glasses.
I'm right behind you, babe.
Okay.
Few short years.
I don't know about that, but
Few short years. Look at it. That's gonna be a real bumper.
yeah, welded on the bottom down here.
Okay.
I'll have to get down and kind of get some beads in there. And then we'll paint and we can put a little putty in it, a couple of little holes. We got some putty, right?
We do have some putty.
And then when we Raptor Liner it, you'll never know the difference. All right, so I'm gonna have to get on the ground. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, you're good. Go ahead and just get her. A little more committed. Okay. Okay, good.
That's awful.
No, that's okay. That's just right. See how you, that's, I mean, that's awesome. That is awesome. Yeah, those just gotta be quick, boy.
Look what he's done over here. We haven't Raptor lined it yet, but you guys get the idea.
Okay, that's it.
Sweet. Grinding away that other end cap.
See any real sharp edges? Now I could do a real quickie.
You're so cute.
You got it?
I got you.
You know, bug. We're gonna scuff these and then Raptor line it. The hardener.
The hardener.
I got some hardener.
And the big mix goes?
Yeah, 60 seconds of mixing.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty.
That's right, bug.
Shake your Raptor.
Okay, that's it.
That's a nice little gun you got there.
Yeah, so I'm gonna need to make sure that this doesn't get all tangled or drag across anything, right?
Okay.
All right, so let's use this. And put this, like, you got it?
Got it. Ew, maybe.
I think so. Okay. All right.
Looks good.
There you go.
This thing looks so good.
Yeah.
Good job, babe.
I mean, I had to lay it a little thick right there, but I mean, it is what it is.
Raptor Liner. It's a Raptor Liner party. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave any comments below, and we'll see you next time on another day of It's a Bug Song.
I mean, I've said it a million times. I wish every guy knew what it was like to have a bug.
Oh, you're so sweet.
You know, Bug.
You're so sweet.
Thanks, Bug.
I love you.
I'll get you cutting, Bug.